We're fighting this lower hose. Upper's off. I'm going to pull the radiator out because it's going to make life way easier up here. And then we will tag team the disassemble.
Is it moving all the way now?
Yes, it is.
Oh, finally. I fucking hate those things. And it's like there's nothing to hold it.
Yeah, except it gets so hot it melts itself on. That's why there's speedy dry down there already. All right, trade me spots. I'm going to pull that quick. And then we will get the radiator out, and we will tag team back again. What's wrong? Oh, yeah, you got some...
Leaning over the...
You got some Corsa part marks.
Whew.
Radiator's out. And yes, every one of these is rounded off on the fan because someone doesn't know what the fuck they're doing. So I'm going to pull a fan. Scotty, loosen up belts.
Yep.
Start getting this set. Let's crank. Crank, baby, crank. All right, water pump's loose. Got all our bolts still in their homes because we do not want to mix those up for when we put this back later. That's a half. Oh, and it's got a little rusty crusty on it. I got it. But keep that standby. Actually, hit it. A little zing. Give a little zing. A little zing. But everything seems to be coming apart fairly well. Yeah, Scotty?
Yeah. Easy.
What's this bolt?
Ooh, no. Hose.
Get that hose. Get both them hose. We don't love them hose.
Hose! Who needs a hose?
We're piddling a little bit, but it's fine. This is fun. Get this out. Get the timing cover off. Then we can have our conversation. We just want to present all the evidence, and then we discuss. We also need to get that thermostat housing out once the hoses are out. How the hell did I get heartburn from a bologna sandwich? Oh, coffee. That's what it was. It's fine. Scotty is on the job, mate. Mustang. Whoa, don't stab yourself. Stabby rip, stab. If we were goth. Yank on that hose. Because you don't love them hose. Ooh, here.
And I want to trim these before we put them back on again.
Yes, here.
Just to be on the safe side.
Grab that. Pull it right there carefully. Don't lose your bolts, but it'll come right off. We might have ones that'll kind of thread it in here. Hold on. Get that titty off.
It actually was kind of... Oh, wait. Come on.
It's right there.
There we go.
There's one here. Let me get the... I'll hit it with a ratchet. Look out. Quickly. Easy.
Cover.
There you go. Pull out. Ooh. Right here. Beep, beep. All right.
We're good.
Let me get this guy. Yeah, you're definitely good. Some of those look like they needed sealant on it because look at that one, how rusty it is. That's not good. There you go. All right. Out she comes. The pump looks nice. It's aluminum. It seems to be in excellent shape. Let me see the backside of that. That's in good shape.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So we're just going to need to clean the gasket off that. So
I want to drain what's left of the coolant.
ding fries are done.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, I'm going to start on this timing cover. We got to get the balancer off too.
Okay.
Go. Got the thermostat out. It is a 160, which is good. Does have 2 holes in it, which is good for a little bit of bypass. We had a little rat pack going on for the Musica today. Yeah. Next thing, got the crank pulley off. I got to get the balancer out of our hair. Then we got to get the timing cover off, and then we will get a better look at that timing set. Our balancer is free. I'm going to pull it out. Then I got to get the cover off here quick, and then we will definitely have a conversation moving some of the wiring that's randomly not hooked up, which is kind of scary. But yeah, then we'll have a discussion about that timing set. I'm going to get this out, pulled, done. We also want to check that axle real quick, so we're going to do that as well. Then, once you've seen all these videos, Joey, and we talk, we're definitely going to have some additional, so we'll need to have a discussion